good. I love the sound. Got plenty of power. Pretty much anything I could ask for. It even drives well in the rain. It's my daily driver. You know, so it's been going really well. I feel like this S mode, like if I put my transmission in S mode, I don't have like that magnetic ride control or anything. So if I put my transmission in S mode, it seems like it does the best in terms of the way it drives. You know, it seems like it's the fastest. It has the smoothest transmission shifting and all. So if it's in normal mode, it feels like you have to kind of, if you don't really press the gas a decent amount, it's really, really sluggish. So you got to kind of press it down a little bit when you're out of sport mode.